it is time to put this back together and get it onto the racetrack in 2 weeks. Go goes, got an idea that may or may not work. For future reference, I have no freaking clue what the hell I'm doing right now. Kind of just slapping stuff back together and hoping and praying it works. I need my... Look at all the dead fishes. Tragic. You won't do it. Oh, I know. Splat. Grab that hub. The entire assembly. You know how this goes on?
No. I don't
lift that up.
I don't work on cars, you do.
I think I got a new one of those. Can you kick that one up? Yep.
Oh, that was one. You don't even know how to take them out, bro.
Yeah, they do it. Let me get the master of all knowledge. Yeah.
Okay, so what's up?
How do I get that part out? That
Where?
at the bottom control arm.
This?
Yes.
Wall joint?
Yeah.
You gotta press that in with a press.
You're a kid.
Use a press for that.
I just got a new one.
Take off the whole lower control arm and take it to Scott's. They got a press now.
This is not as simple as we thought it was going to be.
They do rent
Car
a ball
mechanic.
joint extractor that works on some things, but it usually is so much harder than just going into a press.
It's just a pain.
It's so much easier to just go use a press if you got that access. See this upper ball joint, you can just cut these rivets off and use a bolt. But the lower ball joint, I'm pretty sure you have to press that on.
Guys, I can't hold you at the same time. I'm trying to do.
What are you doing, dude? Get this
Dink, dink, dink.
that shit didn't come on because you fucking put it on upside down, bud.
No, I didn't. Go look at that side. They're the exact same.
They're not supposed to be the exact same. Jesus Christ, that's on the right side.
Yes, I know.
This one's opposite.
This should be the bottom.
No, that's the bottom.
That's what I was trying to do. What the are you talking about then?
All of my kids are exhaust bad.
Hey, bud, see this piece? This piece right here?
Uh-huh. Just leave it there for a second. Put that castle nut on right there. I'm trying to talk. All right.
What's up?
Grab that castle nut.
Oh.
Put it at the
Top.
bottom. Can you even put? Can you even put the top one on yet?
No.
Well, grab the ratchet strap.
This don't fit. God damn. You want some grease, boy?
Some grease.
Pretty sure it's this one right here. It's this one. And it fits on. No, down.
What the fuck did this go to?
Not that.
What the fuck does this go to? Does this go to here? Please tell me you go here.
No. Goodbye. That shit don't fit, bro. Fine.
Okay, Carlos. There should be a ratchet in that heart box over there.
Get yourself. I'm just kidding.
Bro.
I'm just kidding. Bro, you better quit farting.
Hey,
This?
camera. Found the fork.
Is this what you need?
No.
Well, then what the?
Should be a bigger ratchet.
There's not.
What size is this nut?
One of them.
It's the 1911. It's a 19. Those are the parts you used to take this thing apart.
Scattered across the U.S.
That's crazy, bro. That's actually crazy. You should start taking care of that instead of just leaving.
Where did my sway bar go? And my center link.
I need ratchet, damn it! You go give me the ratchet?
I'm looking for my center link. I found it. Hey, I found my tie rod. Hey, I found my other tie rod. Hey, camera, I found my entire front suspension. You don't know you're beautiful. Hey, Nunda, did you know you're beautiful?
Damn right. And look, there you go. You can see what he's doing.
The other bolt, it goes on the bottom, which is way over here. Which is probably not 19. Why would it be 19? Right?
Yo, you about ready for us to come scoop?
And why would it fit, right?
You must find the right bolt.
That's the only bolt like close enough to being close enough to fit on it, bro. Look, these are all too small. Wow. You screwed up, buddy. Last bolt for bottom. Buddy, start keeping track of your bolts.
I f***ed up, Jimmy.
You screw, you nut, you bolt.
Because now.
Power steering fluid, anybody?
Oh wow!
Oh my.
Yeah. Why would you put on there?
How are you feeling in this very moment?
I want you so desperately.
You wanna go? You wanna go? Basically, this right here decided he was gonna ask for help putting his car together.
It's cold. We'll be back tomorrow. Hot swap batteries. I summoned one of these.
Very nice.
Totally didn't steal it out of a Nova. I don't know what you're talking about. Wow.
It's like a pogo stick.
It's barely in there. We're taking out the steering wheel right now.
We have to take steering wheel out.
Mm-hmm. Let it rotate. Hang on. Let's put one of these. Alright, you ready? Wow, that was also super easy.
Nice.
That was barely on there. Alright. Alright, now I have to hop in. We need to figure out another solution.
Climb on in there, bud.
I'm going, Jimmy. Ah, my foot got stuck. We're gonna have to lift the seat up. There's those bolts right there.
You can take the whole thing out.
Uh-huh. Alright. Guessing 3/4. No, that's too big. Try 1/2 inch.
Okay.
Aquí. Okay, one size bigger. And I need the extension that I had on it.
Yo. How much?
What's it connected to?
Well, it's still connected to the. Okay, we gotta. Which size is this? Is it? No, which one is it?
I'll take off the power steering pump if you don't have to.
It's connected to it, and we can't really.
Alright, then go for it.
Because I think that's what it's keeping it from. There's also this. What's that?
What is it?
It's like a little metal piece sticking out to your right this way. It's got a little hole on it.
Inside the Camaro. I feel way too short in this thing.
That seat is really low. Cause yeah, I see the 1, 2, 3, 4 little screws. Yeah, and then there's like a opening right here where I think you can turn it. No, yeah, we gotta move that plate. And then it should just pull on out. I'll go upside down in there.
Alright, sounds good. You convinced me.
Is it bolts? It is.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
How many bolts you got out so far?
I've got one out fully right now. Don't you love when randomly it comes loose and then you think you can untighten it and then it's just
tightens right back up as soon as you go to loosen it.
Don't play with me like that.
Now try to pull that column out.
Oh shit.
What happened?
Okay, pull.
Well.
Yeah.
Go lift the lifting up and turn on the lift. Because I can hold this. Where's the camera? It's pointing at it right now.
We got her out.
Now I need to tighten this up and tighten that one up. Oh yeah, that was not tight at all. Why didn't it take you all the way up?
Hopefully we didn't lose that. Nice.
Yeah.
Isn't it that right there? Yeah.
Why is this crooked?
Yeah, it's got a little bit of a kink in it. She's not quite straight as we'd want it to be. Where's she gonna bolt up to? We're gonna have to weld a piece of metal here for holes to bolt it up. Now we got this thingy connected to this thingy. This thingy and make the tires go wiggy wiggy. We're gonna have to weld. Sage.
Let's go get the welder, Jimmy.
We're gonna do that today?
Yeah, why not?
We're gonna do some welding today, boys. So what we're talking about is that this
My dad's on his way with his ice for opinion.
this comes up here, but it doesn't quite reach where we want it, so we can just bolt it here. So we kind of have to put a piece of metal
What
here,
if we cut this about an inch?
or we could cut the bar and weld the bar shorter, and then we just bolt right up into that.
That's what I was thinking. Next day, and could not find a freaking solution for the control arm. So I've decided to continue on and start building our plate. This is the plate of steel we're going to be using right here. It's a little beat up, but it'll do the job.
Is this the plate we're gonna use?
Yeah.
Not the most structurally sound.
It's just holding up my entire steering system. You know, we're very professional here at Sullivan Racing, you know. You know how it is. Why do I look black in the camera?
It's because the lighting is really bad in here.
It's just a shadow.
Like stuff out here looks really good. As soon as it's into darkness, you can't see anything. That looks better. I think I fixed it.
Yay! Carlos to the rescue. Accurate.
That was a great idea now, wasn't it?
Yep, no regrets.
Almost took out my shins.
No regrets. Very professional. I think I did something. Not really.
Why not mark it with a Sharpie or something?
I don't have a Sharpie. Sorry, Dad, I'm stealing one of your Sharpies. Sharpie pen. And then hole. And then everything. Wait,
That's kind of crooked, Brusky.
Yeah.
And do you know how big the holes are going to have to be for the bolts? You can't have it right there next to the edge. So you have to be like way in here.
Yeah, very accurate. I am very good at this shit.
What are you doing?
Trying to get it clamped down.
Why?
So I could use a grinder. Solution.
You didn't make that straight. This one.
It don't need to be that straight. There y'all go. All better now. I just had to get you guys a bottle of water.
Some pink safety scissors. These are the scissors you get me.
Was that or smaller pink safety scissors?
This is literally just where we have to drill. Don't try this at home, kids.
Very dangerous process. You might end up not being able to have kids afterwards. I don't know if you want one of these things.
Oh my god.
I got mine off Walmart. It was a knockoff version. Okay, go time.
Here we go. Oh my god, why does nothing ever stay in your... Did you even tighten it, bro? Or did you hand it to me all loosey-goosey?
The drill bit was in the drill when I found it. Put it in there and lock it. Go one back now.
What?
Go one back. And you should feel it lock in place. Oh, damn it. One, two. Is that your phone?
Either mine or yours.
Kids, do not try this at home. There we go, that's our plate. Back to the other side of the house. Cause the backyard is full of other junk that we haven't showed yet.
To bolt it up when we weld the plate in.
How?
There's not enough clearance.
Then let's just bolt them in now, and then I'll never take this quick steer out again.
I was about to say the quick steer is never coming back out if we want to keep doing it like this. And we're bolting this all the way down tight, just putting it up and you weld her into place. And the only way to get her back out is just to grind it back out.
And we're back. Welding mask is acquired.
Welding time. Huh?
Go for it.
Oh my god.